Hello students, welcome to my channel Anna's tutorial. Today's topic is a paragraph. Importance of growing trees. Trees are our best friends. They play a very important role in our life. We just cannot continue to live on earth if there are no trees around us. They provide numerous gifts to humanity, including fruits, flowers, fuel, and wood, which are essential for our daily lives. People in villages use firewood to cook meals. They use wood to build houses, huts, carts, and agriculture tools. Trees play a crucial role in creating a pollute-free atmosphere by absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen. Trees prevent soil erosion and floods. The government has taken up different projects in tree plantation. The rural people get much advantage from the trees planted by Gram Panchayat. However, trees are currently facing severe deforestation due to the increasing demands of growing population. So we should take action and raising awareness about the importance of trees. We should try our best to grow more trees. Thank you for watching. Please stay with me and like, share, subscribe.